Hey, what's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets. Today we got this 2015 Interceptor utility. We're going to slap on some Archon wheels and Fury tires. Well, it's not actually true, but we do have a chance for you guys to win the wheels and the tires, plus the lift kit to actually make them fit. So if you haven't seen our newest giveaway, this is a brand new hoodie we got. It's the thin blue line flag on the front with the Custom Offsets logo. We got all the sponsors on the back. So we got Archon wheels chipping in, any size, any finish wheels. Fury's hooking up with the tires, BDS suspension for the lift kit. We got black label lighting on here, and we'll do all the install at Offsets Garage if you want to bring your truck to us. So if you want to get entered, the easiest way to do so is come out to customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you're going to find the hoodie. That's where you're going to get entered. The important thing to know is there's only 1 week left. So this ends next Monday, February 24th at 11 a.m. We're shutting her down. That's the last chance for you to get entered. Then that following day on February 25th, we're going to be live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time to announce the winner of the complete build package giveaway, as well as make a couple donations and give away a whole bunch of other prizes to you guys. So first things first, we want to take the first $2,500 that we raised. We got a local guy that's trying to get on the SWAT team. We're going to help out his police department by hooking him up with $2,500 for some gear and some training. Then all the remainder that you guys have helped us raise is going to COPS, which is Concerns with Police Survivors. So they help out the families of fallen officers, spouses, family, children, all of that stuff. And roughly 140 to 160 officers die in the line of duty every single year. So we're going to do our part to try to give back to the community and help out there. So if you guys want to help us make that donation and get entered to the giveaway, you head out to customoffsets.com/giveaway, grab the brand new hoodie. Peace.